Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I created this look for you guys, and if you want to know how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So first I use the MAC Prep Plus Prime and sprayed it across my face. So this gives a very natural glow on our face. So the next step would be color correction. I'm using the MAC Orange Corrector using a big fluffy brush and spreading it across my face on my dark circles and pigmentation around my face. And for foundation, I'm using the Nars Sheer Glow Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. I mean, it gives such a glow and it blends well. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Precision Sponge for blending it. So take your time and blend in your foundation before you move on to the next step. So yeah, that gives a very beautiful finish. So for the next step, I'm using the color bar brown kajal. I'm applying it on my eyelids so that it gives a very smoked out finish. As you can see, I'm not filling up the entire eyelid. I'm just using it as a thick eyeliner, and make sure you use only brown color and not a black one. So this gives a very beautiful smoked out effect. So with this, I'm going to use a blending brush and I'm going to gently blend it. You can use any kind of thin bristled brush for this. I mean a smoky brush or a smudge brush. And then over this, I'm applying the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, taking the golden shade, using a flat eyeshadow brush and applying on the eyelid above the brown kajal that I just used. And from the same palette, I'm taking another color which is burnt orange, and using a small blending brush and I'm blending it out very smoothly. And again, now this is an important step. I'm using the Nykaa I Am Black Kajal, guys. First I used a brown one, and now this is a black one. I'm using it above the brown one and I'm smudging it out so that it gives a very beautiful smoked out finish. So now using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, I'm applying it directly, and then I'm going to blend it with a same precision sponge from Fenty Beauty. So I do not like to put a triangle or something like that. That doesn't give a very natural finish. I want a very natural finish, so I'm using a very little amount of concealer. If you want a very natural finish, then please don't overdo the concealer. Make sure it is very minimal and take your time and blend it so that there are no harsh lines. Same with the foundation, take your time and blend in the foundation so that there are no harsh lines. I'm taking the contour stick from Fenty Beauty and I'm applying it, and using a beauty blender, I'm very gently blending it out. Make sure that you do not go overboard with the brown contours. Since cream contours are very hard to blend in, make sure you do it very gently. And after the cream contour, I'm using a liquid highlighter only on the high points of my cheeks and not over or below it. And again, I'm using a very little amount. This gives a very sheer coverage and it looks very natural. And then for the eyebrows, I'm using my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wiz. Again, guys, this look is all about being very natural and subtle, and I don't want very harsh contours and harsh eyebrows and heavy highlighters and stuffs. So I'm keeping it as natural as possible. So follow the lines that is coming on from your eyebrows, and a beautiful eyebrow will be there. Again, taking the Nykaa I Am Black Kajal, I am using it on my waterlines and little below the waterline as well, so it gives a very smoked out effect, as you can see. And I'm using a smudge brush and I'm gently, very gently, guys, I'm not at all dragging it, I'm using it in a very gentle motion. To set our cream highlight, I'm using the Bobbi Brown highlighter and gently, very gently dabbing it. And for the blush, I'm using the Kiko Milano blush. Again, I forgot the shades, guys. I would mention it in the description box below. And finally, the last step, I'm using the lip liner from Maybelline and I'm spreading it all across my lips and topping it with the L'Oreal lipstick. The shades will be mentioned in the description box. This color matches my blouse and the neck piece that I'm wearing. And yeah, that completes the look. I hope you guys liked it. And if you do, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back with many more videos. Thank you for watching and take care and bye.